welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine and today is Halloween themed. I wanted to just chat with you and do some Halloween look. We are going to do a leopardy look, but in like more feminine look. Why I'm in pink and why this look is also going to be a little bit pinkish, just because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. All the makeup I'm using are cruelty-free. We are going to chat meanwhile. All the products will be linked down below. You guys kind of on Instagram stories kind of asked me kind of questions. I'm always starting with serum. By the way, if you hear noise, that's my bunny messing something up. I will put where I will need super whiter, like a base. First question I already remember was the most tea one. If you know about Gabby Petito's case, it's really sad, it's really mysterious, it's really crazy kind of. There are like details all the time evolving and therefore people are really involved in the case. People usually really like true crime. Now these mysterious cases, and therefore there's so many cases that people talk about for years. This case also like kind of know what happened but kind of don't. It's still mysterious and it's really fresh. Guy involved in this, the person involved in this or is on the run, which is also like dangerous for anyone. Therefore everyone's really involved. But obviously propaganda says and want to really dismiss this case and be really rude to parents of this poor girl, that fantasizing and imagining a new word, new terminology, and call it white women syndrome. The question was like, how can you support missing white women syndrome? What syndrome is it? It's like sickness, illness, skin turns white or black. What happens? This was said by medias, telling that it's white women syndrome and everyone cares about white women missing, and I'm like, why you imagine new words? Instead you could just talk about cases where there are black women missing, not be the problem of the problem you just created, if you get what I mean. They could just talk about what they care about. Everyone talk about what they are the most closest to and care about the most. I cannot really talk and do makeup. I know how people do this. For example, I care about and I'm really passionate about cruelty-free beauty now, and so I talk about this. I cannot talk about everything in my life or everything what in the world happens, but this is the one that really like resonates to me. Like others talk about missing women maybe because that's what they are like passionate about. And you can talk about what you are passionate about, and that doesn't mean you don't care about other things. That's like if you don't put black square, that doesn't mean that you're racist. I need to create like line. I'm really hungry as well and I don't know why. Also a question about asking if I'm not kind of scared to share my political views and what I think about certain subjects on my Instagram. The thing is, I'll try to get away from this because of that same reason, because I'm pretty sure that there are many brands, or at least few brands, that has said no to me because of this, because there's some brands that have answered really weirdly. No, and then I started to think, what's the point of having a platform and being influencer and sharing my thoughts and things and everything that happens with me if I cannot be my true self, if I have to be silent, if I can't speak and so on? It doesn't make sense and it doesn't make me happy. In that case, I don't really want that. And when I realized it, I was like, I will just share what I want. I want to be able to share my story. I'm kind of not afraid. Like, kind of bothers me obviously sometimes, it makes me mad and sad that it's where we are at now, that there's like censor and there are many women who have contacted me and said like, thank you for talking about this. I don't, because I have like a business and I have kids and I cannot talk about this, but I agree with you. And also you need to understand that if this will continue to grow and grow, all this problem and propaganda and all that stuff, none of us will have business or companies or job or money. That if we don't talk, then we will never be able to talk. One I already replied about if I follow the Gabby Petito case. I do, but it has gotten kind of silent. If you want to really follow the case, you should check out the That Challenge podcast. Gets me worried because I was sure that they will find him really fast, but there's something happening. Yeah, really all these questions are kind of related one to another. The question if I have been rejected by a brand, millions of brands, no, like many brands, and that's like totally normal thing. If you think about it, even Shane Dawson was rejected by brands, you know? That's totally like normal thing to be rejected by a brand. Many just don't feel like a good match with you, and that's like totally okay. You don't need to take it personally. There will be brands that are like, oh my god, you are the one we were searching for, and then there will be brands who are like, nope. You will get rejections. However, lately, not like it is less, because I don't actually like really search for brands. There's some that contact me like just recently. Yesterday there was like brand who wanted me to join their team, and sometimes there's like pause that no one really wants you and really doesn't care about you, and then you feel sometimes like a little bit what's happening. The thing is that since COVID hit, it's really difficult to find like a good serious collaborations. Sometimes they contact you, you contact them. Anyways, if you have any questions about cruelty-free or anything that I can talk about next time, I think I will talk about some topics that really annoys me, or like about influencers or TikTok culture that really like bugs me. So if you're about that and you're kind of like, let's not enable bad behaviors and toxic female energy, then you must subscribe to me. Also kind of starting to help people with their social media, so if you need help, I currently ask really like good pricing. If you're interested, let me know, comment down below and how to contact you, and I will get back to you, or just write to my email, whatever works for you. I think it kind of with the hair looks even better. Any questions, any concerns, comment down below, don't be afraid. I want to do more like cruelty-free talking videos, which I just need to learn how to talk and do things at the same time. Happy Halloween and see you guys next time. Bye!